Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to talk about the game treatment for AskManager. In the first section of this game treatment, we find the summary. AskManager is a 3-level online educational game. This game is intended for training of entry-level assistant managers or assistant directors. Through this game, the learner will experience 3 different levels. The levels are warehouse level, data room level, and conference suite level. Each level is designed to help the trainee to develop certain skills. Through this game, the learner will be able to use an avatar or character to perform the different tasks or quests and collect the different inventory items to be able to move to the next level in the game. The second section of this game treatment is the game genre explanation. AskManager is an adventure single-player educational game. In this adventure, the player will be able to use an avatar and different commands to perform actions. The player will be able to use the WASD commands to move forward, backwards, to the side, to the right, and to the left, while using the avatar to explore the different levels. The player will be able also to use different commands such as C for collect, O for open, K for ask, T for type, R for run, I for inventory, among others. The player will be able to respond to different scenarios provided by the different non-player characters in each of the levels. In AskManager, these non-player characters are called les aides, or non-player characters. The third section of this game treatment outlines the learning goals and objectives. Among the learning goals and objectives, we have the outline effective communication of principles for cooperation and managing. Also, the learner will be able to interpret data security procedures established by an organization or department. When completing the task and the scenarios, is intended for the learner to demonstrate the capacity to delegate responsibilities to others. The learner will also gain the ability to examine crucial information to carry out different delegating responsibilities. The next section in this game treatment outlines how AskManager addresses cooperation, collaboration, time management, supervising, and directing skills for learning. These skills will be able to obtain while the learner uses the different scenarios to make a judgment to decide what is the best alternative to resolve the scenario. AskManager allows the player to evaluate how a data security procedure should be carried out, also how cooperation is essential for the well-function of a work unit. In the next section of this game treatment, we outline the storyline. The game begins at the warehouse level, where the player collects 3 items to move to the next level, called the data room level. In this data room level, the character will be able to solve 3 scenarios and collect again 3 objects. The next section outlines the 2 main avatars for this game, Anders and Lisbeth, and the different ads found in the different levels. This section outlines what the inventory items are. Next, we find the different descriptions for the levels. And finally, we found the flowchart that explains how the levels are constructed. Thank you for watching and for listening.